Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to customize your Windows 11 desktop. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your computer. This video is for education purpose only. Thank you. Okay, so as you see, I'm using Windows 11 in this Asus computer, but I don't like the way it looks, so I'm gonna show you how to make it look cool. Okay, so first we need to go to Google here, and in Google you can look for any kind of wallpaper, any kind you want, but I wanna make it looks like a hacker wallpaper. Okay, so you need to type here hacker wallpaper, like right here. So, and you get all these pictures right here. These are free. So let's go here, we say image. Okay, so you get all of these, you pick any one you like. So I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, so let's click it and then go here and click it again. And from here, this is like advertisement, so just close it here. Okay, so go scroll down. Right here is it. And as you see, it's right here. So from here, we need to save it in your computer. So click right mouse click here and right here, right mouse click. You get this option and then save it image as. Okay, let's type number 2, or you can name it any name you want. So just type save right there. So it's inside my computer now. So let's close this window here. And from here, let's go to right here, this folder. And it should be, it's right here. So let's double click and open it. So right there. Now from here, right mouse click again. Okay, right there, right mouse click, and then right here you get this menu. So go here where it says set as background. Okay, so now let's minimize this window or close it. Okay, so it's right there. You see, I already replaced the background. So now let's customize other things. Okay, so to do that, we need to go to Google again. And here, we need to go and download a program that is called free program, WinHawk, right here. Okay, so it's the first one. Click there. See right here, you get these options, download. So we're gonna go to download. Oh, it's downloading here now. So from here, double click here, double click. Okay, so let's close this window now. And let's close this one. Okay, so please select a language. So right there, English, depends on your language. Okay, standard, installation recommended. Next. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Yes. Okay, so now components to install is already selected, so next, and then I telling you where it's gonna select it. It's gonna use 47.7 megabytes, and I have 167.6 gigabytes, so I have a lot. So it's okay, install. Now it's installing. It's gonna take a few seconds, maybe a minute. I like to customize my desktop. Some people don't. Okay, right here it say open. So I'm gonna uncheck this, so that way I show you how to open it. So uncheck, finish, and then it's right here. You see this eagle or hawk right here. Double click. Okay, so from here you need to go to explore here, and from here there is a lot of the things that you can change your desktop. For example, I'm gonna choose this one that is called Windows 11 Tasks Styler. Okay, so you need to click on the tiles, and from here, as you see, it has a few options. Okay, so look how it looks right here in this example, and looks like how it looks right now. So okay, now so install, and right here you get a message, a warning message. Proceed with care. Malicious mods can damage your computer or violate your privacy. Install mods only from authors who you trust. Like I said, it's in your own risk, but I know it's safe, so I click accept, and it's installing now. It doesn't take too long, maybe 30 seconds. Okay, it's right there, finish. So now let's go to, now that is installed, go to settings. And from here you see the theme here. Themes are collections of styles. For details about themes below, or information about submitting your own theme. So click here where it said none, and you have all these options. So let me show you. I'm gonna translucent taskbar. Okay, so you will see that my taskbar is gonna change right away. Okay, let me show you. So let's click this. And then after you click it, saves. See right there? Look at. Okay. So now let's go again to settings. Let's go to theme again, theme. And then from here, so you can pick wherever you want. And so as like I said, then you can play here with this with all the options here. Okay, so styles. let's choose another one just to show you. Simply transparent. Okay, save settings. Okay, it changed it again, but you can change everything, the desktop, the icons, whatever you wanna change it. Okay, so I just wanna show you how you can customize your desktop. I hope you like my video, and please subscribe, give me a like, check my other videos. Like I said, you can do many things with this Win hack. You need to download it and play with it. Okay, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and check my other videos. Have a great day.